Sunny.
Sunny.
It is sunny. I need to wear sunglasses.
It's sunny today. The sun is shining.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Rainy.
I need an umbrella on rainy days.
She enjoys walking outside when the weather is rainy.
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 Cloudy.
Cloudy.
It feels cooler outside because it is cloudy.
The sky is cloudy now, and it might rain soon.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Windy.
Windy.
The trees move in the windy weather.
I love flying kites on a windy day by the beach.
Windy.
Windy.
Snowy.
Snowy.
It is snowy in winter.
We can make a snowman on snowy days.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Hot.
Hot.
I drink water when it is hot.
It is hot now, so I prefer to stay indoors with air conditioning.
Hot.
Hot.
Warm.
Warm.
I enjoy drinking tea on a warm evening while reading a book.
The warm sun feels nice.
Warm.
Warm.
Cool.
Cool.
I like cool weather in autumn.
The cool evening air gently rustled the leaves.
Cool.
Cool.
Cold.
Cold.
I wear a coat because it is cold.
The cold mountain air made it hard to breathe.
Cold.
Cold.
Chilly.
Chilly.
The air feels chilly in the early morning.
She wore a jacket because it was chilly outside.
Chilly.
Chilly.
Mild.
Mild.
I like mild temperatures because they are not too hot or cold.
The weather is mild today. Perfect for a walk.
Mild.
Mild.
Overcast.
Overcast.
Overcast days often feel gloomy and cool.
The sky is overcast, so it looks like rain.
Overcast.
Overcast.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
We enjoyed the picnic under the clear sky all afternoon.
The clear sky is full of bright stars tonight.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Driving is dangerous when it is foggy.
The foggy morning made it hard to see the road.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Mist.
Mist.
The mountains look beautiful covered in mist.
The morning mist covered the quiet lake beautifully.
Mist.
Mist.
Humid.
Humid.
I feel tired because it is hot and humid.
The air feels humid and sticky after the rain.
Humid.
Humid.
Dry.
Dry.
It has been dry for weeks, so the plants need water.
My skin feels dry in the winter because the air is dry.
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 Muggy.
Muggy.
I don't like muggy weather. It makes me sweat a lot.
After the rain, the air felt muggy and uncomfortable.
Muggy.
Muggy.
Icy.
Icy.
We slipped on the icy sidewalk during winter.
Be careful walking outside. The path is icy and dangerous.
Icy.
Icy.
Freezing.
Freezing.
It was so freezing outside that the lake froze solid.
I need gloves and a hat because it is freezing today.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
The warm, friendly drizzle started in the afternoon.
I like walking in the park when it is just a drizzle.
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 Showers.
Showers.
Take your umbrella. There might be showers this afternoon.
There are some showers today.
Showers.
Showers.
Downpour.
Downpour.
We got wet because the downpour started suddenly.
After the downpour, the streets were full of puddles.
Downpour.
Downpour.
Hail.
Hail.
The hail damaged the windows and cars in the neighborhood.
We could hear the hail hitting the roof loudly last night.
Hail.
Hail.
Sleet.
Sleet.
I heard the noise of sleet hitting the roof last night.
The roads are slippery because of the sleet.
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 Blizzard.
Blizzard.
People stayed inside to stay safe from the dangerous blizzard.
We can't go out because a blizzard is happening.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Stormy weather can bring heavy rain and strong winds.
The stormy weather caused some trees to fall.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Thunder can be scary when it is very loud.
The thunder was so strong it shook the windows.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning can be dangerous, so stay inside.
We watched the lightning flash before hearing the thunder.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Gale.
Gale.
It is very windy. A gale is coming.
The gale last night broke many windows in the city.
Gale.
Gale.
Heat wave.
Heat wave.
The heat wave lasted for 10 days, making it very hot and uncomfortable.
During a heat wave, it is important to drink plenty of water and stay cool.
Heat wave.
Heat wave.
Frost.
Frost.
Frost makes the roads slippery in the morning.
Frost can damage plants if it stays for a long time.
Frost.
Frost.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
The rainbow showed 7 colors from red to violet.
After the storm, we saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Flood.
Flood.
There is a flood in the village.
Floods can destroy houses and roads.
Flood.
Flood.
Landslide.
Landslide.
Heavy rain caused a landslide that blocked the road.
Landslides can block roads and damage buildings.
Landslide.
Landslide.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Earthquakes can be dangerous, so stay safe during one.
After the earthquake, emergency teams quickly arrived to help the injured.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Forest fire.
Forest fires.
Forest fires can destroy homes and harm animals.
Firefighters work hard to stop forest fires.
Forest fire.
Forest fires.
Drought.
Drought.
Droughts make it hard to grow crops.
People try to save water during a drought.
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 Avalanche.
Avalanche.
An avalanche is coming down the mountain.
Avalanches can be very dangerous for skiers and hikers.
Avalanche.
Avalanche.
Tornado.
Tornado.
A tornado spins quickly and touches the ground.
Winds in a tornado can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Hurricanes can flood streets and damage buildings.
Hurricanes start over warm ocean water.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.